Welcome to the Best Picks. The best vocal mic is probably one of the most important tools for any aspiring singer or seasoned professional, significantly impacting the quality of your recordings and live performances. Choosing the right microphone can transform your vocal delivery, ensuring your voice is captured with clarity, warmth, and the perfect balance of detail and richness, making all the difference in creating a truly professional and captivating sound. Number 5. BONAOK Q37 Karaoke Microphone. It's the perfect karaoke microphone for everyone. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, and it's easy to use. This isn't just a microphone, it's also a wireless speaker and an MP3 player. Enjoy your music and recordings anytime, anywhere. Connect it to your phone or computer via Bluetooth or cable. It's compatible with all your favorite singing apps. It supports micro SD cards up to 32 GB for expanded song options. Enjoy a strong Bluetooth connection up to 10 meters away. Easily adjust the microphone, echo, and music volume with its multifunction buttons. The vivid sound effects create an immersive karaoke experience. It comes with everything you need to get started, including cables and a user manual. It's a fun gift for kids, teens, and adults. What we like. It's compact and convenient, perfect for singing on the go. It also functions as a speaker and recorder, making it versatile. If you're looking for a fun, all-in-one karaoke device, this is it. What people say. The sound quality is surprisingly clear, and it pairs easily with any device. The built-in speaker is loud enough for small gatherings, the battery lasts a good while and it's easily portable. It works with my music app Star Maker amazingly, YouTube and more. Volume is good, speaker is great for the size. It is a good size and weight, easy for all ages to hold. The bulky middle part also helps to grip it so my hands doesn't slide down, especially since your hands will get moist. It's still functional, so it has good durability. Number 4. Logitech Blue Yeti USB Mic. It's the perfect tool for creating high-quality audio for your streams, podcasts, or recordings. Its versatile design and easy setup make it ideal for both beginners and professionals. This microphone uses a unique 3-capsule array to capture incredibly clear and powerful sound. It's designed to deliver broadcast-quality audio for all your projects. Enhance your recordings with Blue Voice. It offers a suite of tools to refine your audio, add effects, and create a professional sound. It offers 4 different pickup patterns: cardioid, omni, bidirectional, and stereo, giving you the flexibility to capture audio in various ways. This eliminates the need for multiple microphones. Easily adjust headphone volume, select pickup patterns, mute instantly, and control microphone gain. You're in complete command of your audio. The adjustable desktop stand lets you pivot it to optimize sound quality. Enjoy real-time monitoring with no latency. It's incredibly easy to set up. Simply plug it in and start recording or streaming on your PC or Mac. It's that simple. What we like. This microphone offers exceptional audio quality for professional recordings. Its multiple pickup patterns provide recording flexibility. If you need a high-quality microphone for streaming or podcasting, this is your best bet. What people say. The studio-quality sound delivered by this microphone is just incredible. Most of the time I am on conference calls and Blue Yeti out of the box captures your voice perfectly. There are also a ton of different profiles submitted by the user community. I no longer need to worry about background noise or muffled audio, the sound is crisp and professional. The ability to choose from 4 polar patterns is a marvelous feature. Setup was an absolute breeze. It's a true plug-and-play mic, simply connect it to my MacBook and it was ready to go. The Libero is also a treat, adjusting angles for the best recording feels seamless, meaning I can focus more on my actual work rather than just technical setup. Amazing quality, surprised by how heavy it was, very robust. I get great comments on the mic quality. One customer asked what kind of bird I was keeping whilst on a video call. This was a bird outside in my garden tweeting, that is how sensitive it is. Number 3. Singing Machine Wired Mic. It's the perfect microphone for your karaoke night. Everyone will hear you loud and clear, whether you're singing or speaking. Grab a friend and plug it into an extra jack. It's great for performances and comes with both 6.3mm and 3.5mm adapters. With its wide frequency response and high sensitivity, it'll make you sound amazing. Plus, the long cord gives you freedom to move around. Simply plug it into any microphone jack and start singing. It's lightweight, has a mute function, and requires no batteries. Singing Machine is a leader in home karaoke systems. We bring the joy of singing to homes worldwide, creating fun for music lovers of all ages. What we like. It's a simple, reliable wired microphone perfect for karaoke. It's easy to connect and use, and built to last. If you need a no-frills microphone for karaoke or public speaking, this is a great choice. What people say. This aftermarket microphone works much better than the one that came with our Singing Machine. The original wore out quickly. This new one you can feel it is a better quality. The sound is pretty good. My fiancé and I bought this mic for our wedding to go with a Bluetooth speaker. Worked like a charm. I was honestly surprised at the quality and the range. Our reception room was about 40 feet across and up and down, and it never broke up or lagged or had feedback or anything. The microphone delivers clear and crisp sound quality. It's a unidirectional dynamic microphone, which means it picks up vocals well and minimizes background noise. The microphone feels sturdy and well made, with a durable construction that can handle being passed around during a party. It's lightweight yet robust enough to withstand drops and rough handling. The cable is also long enough to give you some freedom to move around while singing. Number 2. FIFINE K669B USB Mic. It's a plug-and-play USB microphone. Simply connect it to your computer's USB port and start recording. No complicated setup is required. This mic boasts a sturdy metal build with a stable tripod stand. It's designed to last through countless recording sessions. A handy volume knob gives you precise control over your audio levels. Adjust it to your liking or mute it completely for privacy. It works with various applications and operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and even PS4, PS5. It's perfect for streaming, gaming, and more. The cardioid condenser design captures your voice clearly while minimizing background noise. Enjoy crisp, smooth audio in your recordings. Whether you're recording vocals, podcasts, or streaming, this microphone delivers excellent sound quality. It's compatible with many popular platforms and applications. What we like. This USB microphone is easy to connect and offers clear audio for various applications. Its durable metal construction ensures longevity. If you need a reliable and affordable USB microphone for recording or streaming, this is a good option. What people say. The FIFINE K669B USB microphone is an impressive mic for the price. After unboxing, you can have this up and running in 30 seconds. Just plug it into a computer via USB and it works. I like that it comes with a small tripod, but I especially like that the mic has threading to fit onto a standard microphone stand. This mic, being a cardioid type, does an excellent job of isolating my voice and minimizing the unwanted reflections. It does an excellent job of rejecting unwanted reflections. It has a directional pickup pattern, meaning the sounds around my room are picked up less, and nobody complains they cannot hear me or fail to understand me. It also seems to be much higher quality overall than the mics built into even high-end gamer-grade headsets. Number 1. FIFINE K669 USB Microphone Kit. It boasts a simple USB connection, making it easy to plug and play with your PC or laptop. No extra hardware or drivers are needed to start recording high-quality audio for your podcasts, vocals, or online chats. This microphone offers excellent sound quality with a wide frequency response. The cardioid condenser capsule captures clear audio while minimizing background noise, ensuring professional-sounding recordings. The included boom arm provides flexible positioning, allowing you to adjust it to your ideal recording angle. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. It comes with a double pop filter to reduce plosives and a shock mount to minimize vibrations, resulting in cleaner, more professional recordings. Everything you need is included: a sturdy boom arm, a shock mount, a double pop filter, a USB cable, and the user manual. You'll be ready to record right out of the box. What we like. This complete kit provides superior sound quality and a flexible boom arm for optimal positioning. It's versatile and perfect for various recording scenarios. If you're serious about audio quality and need a professional setup, this is the one for you. What people say. Setup was simple. The springs in the boom seem solid and some of the clamps are plastic, but they also seem like they will preform. The boom mount is metal and the tightening bar to the clamp is thick and strong. Mic quality is great. It does not have its own audio software, but with the cost I would not expect it to. All in all, it is a boom mic. Boom works, mic is clear and adjust well. What's in the box? Microphone, shock mount, boom arm and desk clamp, pop filter, accessory bag with extra parts, foam microphone cover, USB cable, 6-foot, user manual. Taking it out of the box, it seemed like it was built okay. The microphone itself was pretty lightweight. Sound quality, very nice. I compared it to both the MacBook Pro built-in microphone and the Mac Studio display microphone, and it crushes both of them. The included boom arm is sturdy and easily adjustable, allowing me to position the microphone exactly where I need it. The shock mount is a great addition, minimizing unwanted vibrations and ensuring clean recordings. Setup was a breeze, just plug it into my computer's USB port, and it was ready to go. No complicated drivers or software required. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.